Do you dream of starting your own sports YouTube automation channel? Then this video is exactly what you need. Football is a huge niche in sports, but let's be honest, it's overcrowded. The competition is intense, and most people fail to grow their channels in the football niche. But here's the good news. The NBA basketball niche is a gold mine. In this video, I'll show you how to start a faceless YouTube automation channel in the basketball niche without getting into any copyright trouble. You've probably seen channels posting simple basketball videos, gaining thousands of subscribers and earning thousands of dollars, all without showing their faces. But here's the twist. Copyright issues are a real threat. I've seen channels with millions of subscribers but zero earnings. Yes, zero. Why? Because their content isn't monetized due to copyright violations. If you want to avoid this trap, you must watch this video till the end. I'll guide you step by step on how to avoid copyright claims, where to find the right video clips, how to create AI voiceovers. Each step is super important, and skipping even one could stop your channel from earning money. So if you're ready to build a successful YouTube channel and start earning, stick with me till the end. Let's start our YouTube automation channel in the NBA niche. First things first, you need to understand the trends in this niche. And the easiest way to do that, Google Trends. Go to Google Trends, type NBA in the search bar. Select countries like the United States and the United Kingdom. Next, click on Lifetime to see the overall trend. This will show you what's trending in the NBA niche, what kind of content is in demand, how many videos can you create on these trends. This data is super important. It helps you plan your content smartly. Now it's time to create your YouTube channel. In my previous video, I explained step-by-step how to create a professional-looking channel. Optimize your channel for better ranking on YouTube. The link to that video is in the description below. Make sure to check it out and set up your channel correctly. Now let's move to the next step. ChatGPT. To create content for your NBA YouTube automation channel, ChatGPT will be your best assistant. Open ChatGPT. Use the prompt I've shared in the video description. But before you start, make sure you've carefully watched this video to avoid copyright issues. Once you're ready, tell ChatGPT, I want to start a YouTube channel in the NBA basketball niche. ChatGPT will guide you. And here's the exciting part. It will also help you find micro niches in the NBA space. For example, NBA updates. Stay on top of trending news. Top 10 lists, like top 10 NBA plays of all time. Storytelling, interesting stories from NBA history. Funny moment, entertaining and shareable clip. These micro niches are your golden ticket to standing out in the crowded NBA content world. But here's the most important part. ChatGPT will help you write your video scripts. Now let's find the latest NBA news to create our unique video script. Go to Google and search for the latest NBA news. Open the top 2 articles from the search results. These are usually the most recent and relevant updates. Copy the content from both articles. Now it's time to head over to ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and use this prompt. Using the following text, create a unique and engaging YouTube video script about the latest NBA updates. Paste the copied text from the articles into ChatGPT. Hit enter and let ChatGPT work its magic. ChatGPT will now generate a fresh, unique, and engaging video script tailored for your YouTube channel. This method ensures no copyright issues, original and engaging content, a script that has the potential to go viral. All right, now that we've already guided ChatGPT about our goal to create a video script related to NBA updates, it's time to refine our script further. When you ask ChatGPT to generate a script from the articles, you might notice it's too short. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's what you need to do. If the script feels too short, simply type this prompt into ChatGPT. Give me a longer script around 5,000 words on this topic. Replace 5,000 words with your preferred length. ChatGPT will now generate a detailed, well-structured, and unique script for your YouTube video. Once you have your script ready, review it carefully. This step ensures your content is well-organized, rich with information, ready to grab your audience's attention. Now that we have our script ready, let's move on to creating a professional voiceover using ttsopenai.com. Step 1. Log in to TTS OpenAI. Once logged in, you'll see a simple interface with a text box. Step 2. Paste your script. Copy your script and paste it into the text box. Step 3. Choose your voice. You'll see voice options like gender, age, and style. For example, I selected middle-aged male voice. You can experiment with different voices until you find the perfect match for your video. On the Generate button, wait for the voiceover to be processed. Once done, Go to History and download your voiceover file. Pro tip: TTS OpenAI uses a credit-based system, so manage your credits wisely. Alternatively, you can also use 11 Labs for voiceovers. Step 5. Enhance with Adobe Podcast. After downloading your voiceover, go to Adobe Podcast. Upload your voiceover file and click on the Enhance button. Adobe Podcast will make your voice sound crisp, clear, and human-like. Now your professional voiceover is ready. All right, now we're at one of the most important steps: getting NBA videos and avoiding copyright claims. Step 1. Download NBA footage. You can't download videos directly from the NBA's official YouTube channel. That's a guaranteed copyright issue. Instead, look for alternative channels that share NBA content in a way that allows reuse. Download the video using Downloader tool. Pro tip: make sure you're downloading videos from channels that have reusable or Creative Commons content. Step 2. Generate AI images. Once your video is downloaded, the next step is to avoid copyright claims by using AI-generated images. Head back to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Generate prompts for AI tools to create images based on this script. ChatGPT will provide you with detailed image prompts aligned with your script. Now let's move on to creating real, unique images for your video using AI. First, head over to picleman.com and sign up or log into your account. Once logged in, click on the Create button to start. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt that was generated for you. Then, paste the prompt into the provided box on Picleman. Select the image model you want to use and choose the 16:9 ratio for YouTube videos. Click Generate and wait for the image to be created. Once it's ready, download the image by clicking on the Download button and save it to your device. Repeat this process for all the images you need. By using AI-generated images, you'll avoid copyright issues and have unique content for your video. Now you can add these images along with your NBA footage and voiceover to create a visually engaging and copyright-safe video. The next step is very important: video editing. This is where we'll apply everything we've learned to avoid copyright issues. Keep watching carefully so you don't miss any steps and ensure you're on track to earn money from YouTube. For editing, first, open CapCut and import the voiceover you enhanced with Adobe Podcast. Then, import the downloaded NBA video and the images you generated. Once everything is in the timeline, the first thing you need to do is drag and drop your voiceover onto the timeline. Cutting the video is easy, and you can apply the same technique to cut the voiceover. Next, import the downloaded NBA video, but only use 5-second clips from each video. This approach significantly reduces copyright risks. After each 5-second video clip, insert an AI-generated image to break up the content. Continue alternating between short video clips and AI-generated images throughout your timeline. For better results, use more images and fewer video clips, as images are far less likely to trigger copyright claims. Alternate these short clips with AI-generated images to create a smooth blend of visuals. Next, add video effects to minimize copyright risks. Go to the Effects section in the top corner of CapCut, where you'll find options for audio effects, transitions, and captions. Download your chosen effects, drag and drop them onto your timeline, and apply them across the video. To make your video even more engaging, search for green screen effects on YouTube, download them, and import them into CapCut. Once imported, mute the green screen video's audio and use it creatively to enhance your content. Following these steps will ensure your video stands out while staying safe from copyright claims. After importing the green screen effect video into CapCut, locate the mute option on the right side and mute the music. Trim the intro and outro of the green screen clip, keeping only the relevant effect. Click on the BG background option in the top corner and select green screen to automatically remove the green background. For a polished look, import multiple green screen effects, mute their volume, and use the chroma key to remove their green screens. To enhance your video, add background music, transitions, and auto captions. Click on the auto caption button to generate subtitles, which can then be customized with different fonts and styles to suit your video. Once you're satisfied with the edits, click on the export button to save your final video to your device. And there you have it. Your professional video is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Now let's enjoy the final video preview.
The NBA All-Star Game is back, and this year, it's shaking things up with a brand new format. Instead of the classic East versus West showdown, we'll see 24 elite players split into 3 teams, joined by the Rising Stars Challenge winners for an epic 4-team tournament showdown in San Francisco. Today, we're diving into the top 12 players most deserving of an Eastern Conference All-Star spot based on their performances so far this season. And trust me, picking this roster was no easy task. First up, the starting 5. Jalen Brunson, Knicks, the heart and soul of the Knicks offense, dominating with efficiency and clutch performances. Donovan Mitchell, Cavaliers, a two-way star balancing scoring and elite defense for Cleveland's top-tier offense. Jason Tatum, Celtics, a scoring powerhouse and defensive rock, leading the